Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. November 21st, 1914 America New York. Bitcoin Weekend Update. Tested towards $60,000 US, currently circa $58,300. BTC, USD has had an active range weekend of trade. Towards the end of last week it recovered ground and over the weekend traded at one point to $60,000. Updating now, it's under $58,500.
BBC News Business. November 21st, 1908 America New York. New homes in England to have electric car chargers by law. Charging points will also be required in new supermarkets and workplaces in England under government plans. BBC News Business. November 21st, 1908 America New York. Net zero heralds a new industrial revolution, says CBI boss. CBI boss Tony Danker will also argue that emerging industries such as biotech offer a shot at redemption.
Global Economy. November 21st, 1901 America New York, UK lender to offer 40-year fixed-rate mortgages. Kensington targets borrowers seeking long-term certainty amid rising inflation fears.
Daily FX Market News. November 21st, 1900 America New York. AUD, USD eyes upside on potential loan prime rate cut in China. AUD, USD has China's monthly loan prime rate fixing in focus amid an otherwise quiet economic docket. A surprise cut could spur some strength in the Australian dollar.
Forex Live. November 21st, 1834 America New York. Barclays says the USD is overvalued circa 5 to 10%, but there are still supportive factors. Sees Euro, USD higher. Via a Barclays note, analysts are looking for a small decline in the US dollar over the year ahead, citing our views of a stable backdrop for risk and commodities alongside moderate USD overvaluation. Forex Live. November 21st, 1830 America New York. RBNZ Shadow Board is overwhelmingly calling for a tightening in monetary policy. Coming up in NZ this week, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand meet on Wednesday, November 24th. Earlier previews are here. The New Zealand Institute of Economic Research, NZIER, runs a shadow board of analysts.
Daily FX Market News. November 21st, 1815 America New York. Powell vs. Brainerd. Next Fed chair pros and cons. U.S. President Joe Biden is expected to make his decision on who will be the next Fed chair in the coming days.
Forex Live. November 21st, 1810 America New York. Oil futures have opened lower to begin the week. WTI oil has opened lower. The CL contract dropped briefly under $75 US at the start of trading on Sunday evening U.S. time. Equity indexes on Globex meanwhile are steady.
New York Times Business. November 21st, 1745 America New York. Tucker Carlson's Patriot Purge special leads two Fox News contributors to quit. Jonah Goldberg and Stephen Hayes, stars of a brand of conservatism that has fallen out of fashion, decide they've had enough. Stephen Hayes, left, and Jonah Goldberg, right, founders of The Dispatch, finalized their resignations from Fox News last week.
Forex Live. November 21st, 1745 America New York. Coming up this week, the RBNZ will hike its cash rate. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand meet on Wednesday, November 24th. Earlier previews are here. Via Kiwi Bank, what they are expecting. The title of their note.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 21st, 1717 America New York. Activision Blizzard CEO Bobby Kotick tells colleagues he would consider leaving if he can't quickly fix problems. He stopped short of saying he would step down in a Friday meeting with executives.
Forex Live. November 21st, 1705 America New York. Weekend. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey says there is a two-sided debate over inflation. Gov Bailey in a Sunday Times interview said UK economic activity is slowing and supply-side issues are stoking prices, which highlights there is a two-sided debate over inflation. Forex Live. November 21st, 1704 America New York. Wall Street Journal says global supply chain woes are beginning to recede, still danger. An article in the journal says while supply disruptions are easing, there are still blockages to be dealt with. WSJ on improvements, however, may be gated.
Global Economy. November 21st, 1700 America New York, first FT, Chinese missile tests constraints of physics. Plus, KKR's €33 billion buyout offer for Telecom Italia and Olympics chief holds video call with missing Chinese tennis star.
Forex Live. November 21, 1645 America New York, Trade Ideas Thread. Monday the 22nd of November 2021. Welcome again to the new Forex Week. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so.
Armstrong Economics. November 21, 1637 America New York, the United States has been invaded. If anyone questions if Biden is actually being controlled from Geneva and this is the overthrow of the United States, just for once listen to the proposals from his nominee for the controller of the currency.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. November 21, 1636 America New York, who said it? Can you tell me who said the following quotations? I'll give you a hint. The work was published in 1891. Was it Henry George, Auberon Herbert, Benjamin Tucker, Wordsworth Donisthorpe, Carl Menger?
Forex Live. November 21, 1616 America New York, PBOC advisor says China's economy could enter a period of quasi-stagflation. China's economy could enter a period of relatively slow growth and excessively high producer price inflation. That's from Liu Shijin, an advisor to the People's Bank of China and member of the Monetary Policy Committee at the bank. Forex Live. November 21, 1615 America New York, Russian troop buildup near Ukraine, invasion possible in early 2022. This is across the media outlet, but in case you missed it. Citing the head of Ukraine's Defense Intelligence Agency, Military Times other news outlets along similar lines, saying the U.S. has shared intelligence with European allies also showing a buildup of Russian troops and artillery.
Armstrong Economics. November 21, 1548 America New York, Brussels Europuting with 50,000 protesters. Comment. Hi Marty. Thanks for all you do. I came to the Euro Crisis Seminar in Frankfurt. I will never forget that you warned back then that in Q1 2020 everything would go crazy.